Hi, this is Ben Meller with GZM Web. Today I'd like to show you one of the features in GZM projects that you may find useful, and that is call logging. You can use this feature to keep track of different phone conversations that you have with various clients regarding projects. It's done by simply clicking on the call log icon, and then you can do a search for any contact that you may have had a conversation with by phone. Let's say, for example, I had a conversation with Ben Sullivan. There. You notice that you can do a search either by first name or by last name. So let's do a search for Sul. It finds it. Let's do a search for Ben. It'll find every contact with the name of Ben, and then you can pick them out of the list there just by clicking on it. So let's say. Another thing is if you have a conference call with more than one person, you can add in their names here. So I just wanted to demonstrate that. You can remove them from the list just by clicking remove. Let's say that Ben and I had a conversation regarding this project for United Methodist Church. Spoke about some strategies to increase traffic. If you're billing for time, you can do this by putting in the length of the call and then just select add time to report and then save the log. Or if you want to do it even more accurately, when you pick up the call, you can start a timer and it'll round up to the nearest minute. So let's see, there we are on that. We'll go ahead and save that log. And then you've got the ability here to easily do some searches for, if we click here to go back to the main screen, and you can do this by clicking in the top left on the logo there. You can then go back to the main screen. And let's say we wanted to look at from December 1st through December 16th. Some of the calls that were made. This actually is December 1st to January 16th. Let me go back and change that date range. You just would do that by clicking on the calendar, and we'll go to December 16th. Okay. We can see in that range that what some of the different people did in terms of their call volume, and if we wanted to look at some notes, we'll look at Arthur Odom. We see that Natasha had a call. If we need, we can keep track of all of the different calls there, and we also could do a filter. Let's say we only wanted to look at my calls in that range. We could see, okay, here are some calls that were made, maybe the notes on Laverne when I spoke with her, that sort of information. A lot of clients find this to be a very useful feature, and I hope that you also find it useful for your business. Thank you.